government will be based on capacity, ability to deliver. You see what we is saying now? He's doing this job because he has the mental energy and physical energy. It is not retirement home. We have to deal with it. So I assure you of our commitment. I assure you of our commitment to a better Nigeria. We will. Everybody knows our age. They know where we're born. They know where we live. They know the school we attended. We have classmates. This morning I was telling somebody about Peter Odili. I said Dr. Odili was my senior boy in secondary school. We couldn't have played football in CKC without Odili. Any day is not in the mind, we have lost. So we know. So I have people in River State that went to school with me. Some people, nobody has seen people who went to school with them. So we must change it. That is what we are saying. Things must change. Governor Wike has said that it is us. Everybody should speak the truth. Everybody should do the right thing. And that is what we are starting with a new Nigeria. A Nigeria where people will seek the truth. A Nigeria where people will do the right thing.
I know Peter Obi was in River State today, welcomed by Nyesom Wike, and the outstanding promise he made, I will give you logistic support whenever you are in the state to campaign. And I also know that you expect me to talk about the deal that supposedly was entered into when Peter Obi said, give me the federal level and I'll lead the state for you. I will talk to my people. Far from it. I am here to ask you a question. Has APC perfected plans to rig 2023 general election? The Alliance for Political Parties in the past brought our attention the Omuma magic, where the Nigerian Voters Register was characterized by unknown faces, foreigners and children, or where impersonation characterized it. It raised the alarm. Today, in Imo State, the presidential candidate of All Progressive Congress, BOLA TINUBU, was in the state to interface with the business leaders. The former governor of Imo State, IKEDI OHAKIM, said something. He said, BOLA TINUBU has already won the election. He only come here. He has come here to thank the people and not to campaign. He is a big masquerade. He doesn't need to campaign. Are we in for another 8 years of horror? Does he explain why the APC is taking Nigerians for granted? Why they have refused their candidate, or the candidate has refused to attend any debate where he can debate with other aspirants or candidates to say what his agenda for Nigeria is? Where he is forgetting or gaslighting Nigerians, has refused to reveal his true identity to us. Peter Obi is saying, I know my classmates, I know who I went to school with, I even know who my seniors in school are. Does it not matter to Nigerians? Are we in for another 8 years of horror? IKEDI OHAKIM said that BOLA TINUBU is a big masquerade, that he doesn't need to explain himself. Are we not here to tell IKEDI OHAKIM that when a masquerade overstays in the arena, the uninitiated will throw sand at it? BOLA TINUBU of 15 years ago in Lagos is not BOLA TINUBU today in a modern Nigeria, where the only thing left is for him to forget his name. He is a nice man, but has Nigeria not moved on way past modern BOLA TINUBU? If you vote for the past, you hate Nigeria. If you vote on tribe, you hate Nigeria. If you vote on sentiments, you hate Nigeria. Peter Obi said, me and Ahmed Dati, we are the future. We know how to push Nigeria from consumption to production economy. Let me know what you think. Has APC perfected plan to rig 2023 general election? This is what we'll be talking about, and not the political statement made by the governor of River State, Nyesom Wike. wonderful as he may be, as he may seem, but he's going to say the same thing tomorrow to Kwakwanso and others. The true character of a man is what he says when you are not looking. Adam Oshimole yesterday said that character defines a man. Who is Bola Ahmed Tinubu? This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the video, and remember, see something, say something, and please do something. This is the time that we should open our eyes and task these leaders, interrogate them one-on-one. Who are you? Thank you.